Okay, the machine that you now see on your screens is Urania. This is the top end model from LGF. The Urania has a saw blade which cuts at 90 degrees and can be tilted to -45. Additionally, you have these two heads which can also be rotated. That's the right head profile support. That is the profile height feeler gauge for measuring the height of the profile. This is power 1000 controller on the Urania. That's the electrical control panel. And this is a portion of the air gun that you see over here. Let's have a look at the video of Urania. That's the power 1000 with a touch screen. Here you are setting the tilting angle and the cutting length. And you see this is the motorized movement of the right head. It moves to the distance required that you have set in the power 1000. Profile gets clamped, two-handed operation. Please note that the Urania has a bottom up raising of the blade. The blade rises up from the bottom in case of Urania. Now you see the blades tilted and the heads pivoted, both at 45 degrees. This kind of cutting is done when you are working on facade profiles to get compound cuts. That's the cut completed. Let's see the optionals. Urania 4 meters, 5 meters, label printer, extended cut device. This is the device which will enable you to cut pieces larger than the bed length of the machine, trim cut device, and then packing.